Hey, if your iPhone 6 or 6 SE is stuck on the Apple logo during an update, putting it into recovery mode can be a lifesaver. This mode allows you to restore or update your device when it becomes unresponsive. In this guide, I'll walk you through both the manual method and a one-click solution to enter recovery mode effortlessly. Let's dive in. Let's first understand what recovery mode is. Recovery mode is a built-in iPhone feature designed to help when your device is facing software issues or won't function properly. It serves as a backup plan, allowing you to update or restore your iPhone when normal operations fail. If your iPhone 6 or 6 SE is stuck, entering recovery mode might be the key to fixing it. Now that we know what recovery mode does, let's go step by step on how to enter it manually. To manually enter recovery mode, follow these steps. Connect your iPhone to a computer using a lightning cable. Press and hold both the home button and side or top button simultaneously. Keep holding the buttons, even when you see the Apple logo. Release both buttons when you see the recovery mode screen on your iPhone. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, you can use iTunes to update or restore your device. While this method works well, some users may find it tricky. If you want an easier and faster way to enter recovery mode, check out the one-click solution below. For a quick and hassle-free way to enter recovery mode, you can use tenorshare Reboot. This tool allows you to enter recovery mode with just one click, and best of all, it's free. Here's how to do it. Connect your iPhone to a computer using an original lightning cable for a stable connection. Download and install Reboot on your computer. Launch Reboot and click Enter Recovery Mode on the bottom left corner. In just a few seconds, your iPhone will successfully enter recovery mode fast and easy. Need to exit recovery mode? Simply click Exit Recovery Mode in Reboot, and your device will return to normal instantly. If your iPhone 6 or 6S remains stuck in recovery mode, is boot looping, or is frozen on the Apple logo, it might indicate a deeper system issue. Fortunately, Reboot can help fix it without data loss. Follow these steps to repair your iPhone. Open Reboot and click the Start button. Select Standard Repair and follow the on-screen instructions. This method will fix system issues without deleting your data. That's the complete guide to entering recovery mode on iPhone 6/6S. Whether you choose the manual method or the one-click solution, you can now easily restore or update your device when needed. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Got more iPhone or iPad issues? Drop a comment below and we'll make more tutorials to help you out. Stay tuned for our next video.